This is a mango. So Kai was like, oh, I don't know, nostalgic about the taste of mangoes in South Africa, which is different from what we get in Singapore or Malaysia. Ripe and ready mangoes, class 1, ready to eat. And then, ding, 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 it's actually Spanish. Ha! The flesh is like less smooth, almost more fibrous. I don't know if you can see. It's crunchy, which is slightly weird for a mango if you ask me. To me, an ideal mango is soft but, well, let's say tender but not soft necessarily, but smooth. It's got to be silky smooth, Kai.
And that's not silky.
It's not silky. It's not silky. The taste is quite refreshing. It's a very light mango flavor. You know, like how some mangoes you get, it's almost like a really jungly kind of flavor. It's like very intense. Like almost fermented, intense, funky. It's not fermented, like a funky mango flavor. This is like not even close.
I really like this.
It's just like a light fruit.
Why don't we get this in Singapore? That's what I want to know.
Because it's inferior. These are great. Baby clementines, or as you call them, nachis?
Nachis, but
Nachis.
the brand is the same that we get in Singapore actually. This
Sun
lemon gold.
What lemon gold? Why don't you put on more light? It's kind of like, anyway.
Yeah, I don't know what we can do.
And then the big surprise is these blueberries from Woolworths. Maybe they're specially selected. Flavor burst. Wow. Variety Masina from South Africa.
We're going to a food market now. See you there. We're impressed by this brutalist public housing. Oh, we don't know if it's public housing.
Let's say more affordable housing.
More affordable housing. Right next to the stadium.
I like that the ground floor, it's got this little patio, terrace. See, and all the...
It's quite rare to see like low-cost housing. That it kind of reminds me of the HDBs, right? So sort of,
you see, yeah,
little box.
Because
what do you call it? Boxes of.
Everything is concrete form, right? And then the joints are all a bit rounded, so it's like quite a little bit more pretty, I guess, than a hard corner with like the balustrades and especially the one at the bottom.
That guy is drunk. I'm moderately impressed that there's PV panels on a couple of these places.
It can't be that expensive.
City Farm Market.
Are those artichokes? Looks like an artichoke.
Looks like an artichoke.
Not sure. Butter dish, butter dish, butter dish.
Oh, they're just setting up.
Yeah, I think we're a bit early.
Hey, that's a snazzy shirt.
Oh, I thought it was a food market.
I think it's just a oh, look at all the flowers.
With the hanging
Oh,
flowers?
the decorations are so cute. No, I mean like the, you know, I just like flowers. I think time in South Africa is a bit like Malaysia. It's more flexible. Wow, look at those chrysanthemums. Are they unusual? Wow.
Bigger than my hand almost. Cured meats. Wild boar bacon. I'm impressed. This looks
Mortadella?
nice.
No, it looks too, it's just fat for cooking. Not for eating, it's for cooking. Wild boar. That one sounds good. We might have to wait for that.
Double baked. What do you mean they're like yesterday's?
Pasta?
Nice latte. Oh, it's like a masala tea type thing, right?
Yeah,
Oh,
the
he's
focus
here?
was to move away from the instant market, which is full of sugar preservatives, so it's freshly milled spice blends.
Granola, it does look deluxe.
Look at that white chocolate fig walnuts. That's like, wow. It's made of like a nuts butter.
Cashews. We have a cashew cream that we culture for 3 days.
And from that poultry cream, we create our cream cheeses, our butters, our ricotta.
So it's all cashew based.
Yeah, all cashew based.
Yum.
Wow, there's a lot of cashews then, surely. Yeah. Where do cashews come from?
So we get our cashews from Mozambique or Kenya.
All right.
So like it just depends where, like what's available.
The mooses, yeah. This is what I remember as a kid.
Snook?
Hi, good morning.
Hi.
Snook.
What
Yeah,
is a
it's a fish one. Kuzi, sister.
That's what it is. That one's got a cinnamon and a sea cardamom. It's got a little bit of spice. Sweet, but not that sweet.
Is it a bit like a donut? It's okay.
Crispy on the outside and moist on the inside.
This is like Cape Malay cuisine, huh? A lot of nuts.
Coffee?
Scandinavian.
They are, yeah, the think about them.
All right. Nice.
Got the cinnamon cardamom.
They look great. They look really great.
These are amazing. This is like a croissant dough, it's a bit like a cruffin.
The packaging
oh
is pretty awesome.
It looks like a. Oh, very yummy. Delicious.
Before you try the hot pepper, try the Mozambique.
20 minutes or 15 minutes. Please get going. It's a beautiful day. And we're going to enjoy it.
It's very nice too. It's like a smokier flavor.
Yeah.
The sea is like a lake.
20% chili, this one's going to have like 18 to 20% chili. It's slightly hotter.
This tastes a bit like Mrs. Ball's chutney. It's very sweet. I prefer that one. That's like.
Okay.
Very yummy.
Okay. Whoa.
So you put it like a kebab on toothpicks or on the skewers. Very
So that's with like a Gouda. Very nice.
But why the Stefan?
He likes to drink, maybe?
Yeah, okay. I don't know what this is. He is from the Karoo, isn't he? Oh, I see it now.
Wow, slow much, Kai?
That's not nice.
We have a nice laundry basket, you know? Is it too much
I want laundry.
I was talking about the little boat.
I know, but why go big, small when you can go big? Like, I love these.
So I'm coming to Singapore probably in January if all goes well.
Oh,
so if there's
okay.
anything you want me to bring along,
I do love wreaths and baskets. And the colorful ones are like, and I love colors, so lovely. Oh, look at that, all the sprouts even. Wow, look at these flowers. How beautiful are they? Yeah, mushroom kebab. Have you seen mushrooms like these?
I know, it's incredible, right?
I'm like the greatest mushroom lover ever. I love mushrooms. I've never seen pink mushrooms. They're so cute. So I guess they don't stay pink once you cook them.
Of the types in our farm, but because the mushrooms need different humidities and different temperatures, we can't grow all of them at once. So the ones that we don't grow, we get from other local suppliers. But we do have a place in Stellenbosch where we grow at least 2 or 3 types at a time.
Where are you visiting from?
Singapore.
Okay. Wow.
Criticizing Asian food in South Africa.
Not much variety, but not so much. Not enough. Not enough.
recently almost doubled.
How is the mushroom kebab?
Well, I've only had the first one mushroom now, but it's just, I mean, I love mushrooms. You can't go wrong.
Oh, ginger shot and all.
Apple.
Nice.
Oh, you took the only oyster mushroom? Good, right?
But I'm not, the seasoning and the oil does somehow, I'm not too sure what's what.
A bit too much oil for my liking, but I like the seasoning. There were those croissants filled with like this amazing looking scrambled egg. Oh wow, those look good. It is delicious. The pastry is amazing.
Oh, well, it's an acquired taste.
Yeah, it's a. Yeah, I was like, they give you 2 rounds.
Rand for one.
Oh my god.
Tell me. Tell me.
How would you describe that? Salty.
Creamy. Very creamy. Good. These guys are very plump.
For the dogs.
Oh, okay.
Wowzers.
Decided to.
This looks incredible. So Ruth, what did you think of the market?
Great, I love it. Weekends and Wednesday. Today is already Sunday. Oh, it looks
So
cool.
they put some sand on some rocks and then they play some DJ music and
So they serve the most amazing cocktails.
there's some eye candy, no doubt.
So is the Aquaman hang out here?
No, I've only seen Aquaman running around on the
And there's this weather is
Cozy,
absolutely unreal.
showers, sauna.
In front of Table Mountain.
I wanted to take a photo of the 2 of you.
That's okay. In South Africa, people use Uber X's, not minibuses. I mean, not taxis.
Okay.
Have you guys ever taken a taxi? No.
Oh, so
I think you should take a taxi.
taken a taxi.
Yeah, I've taken a taxi as well.
But like once though.
Oh, I've taken taxis, sure, growing up.
A bunch of times.
From school, to university, from university to
The past doesn't count, Lita. You mean the
past doesn't
now.
I've taken a taxi once, maybe.
Yes, you see, Kara's telling the truth.
Yeah.
I grew up in the township, of course I've taken the taxi.
That's because your father was a minister. We all know the truth. Salted egg fish skin. Brian seemed a little bit incredulous about it, like asking questions.
That is a joke.
Salt, egg,
That is a
fish. What is not?
Getting ready for it. It smells like
Sucks.
Yeah. I feel like I should be in a fish bowl and you should be pouring it over my head. So it looks like the piece on the end of a white sock that's been worn once too often without shoes. Smells about the same. I'll just let it linger for a while. These are dangerously addictive.
Says so in the packet.
If I didn't know what I was eating, it wouldn't be so bad. But then I know I'm eating the skin of a dolphin or something. It's not.
Skin of a fish. Fish, you know?
Yeah, but it doesn't.
Fish.
It was not explicit about what fish.
Shark.
Is it?
Sharks are the best. From
After
Durban.
we fin them, then we skin them.
You fin them and skin them. Salted duck egg yolk. Oh, no, it's not bad. I mean, it's not great.
Have you had a salted egg dish before?
No.
Because salted egg is all the rage in Singapore.
Do you guys not actually do importing of
Chips?
food?
What do you mean? We make our own food up, man.
No.
This is like, what do you do with your fish skins?
No, I'm saying we import food that tastes nice. No, I'm joking. It's not terrible. It's probably something I need to get used to because I've never really thought of just eating fish skin.
Okay, but the flavoring. What do you think of the flavor? Like, how would you describe the flavor? Is it spicy?
No, it's not spicy.
Is it buttery?
It's a little bit on the buttery side, not like a fish butt, but like butter. And it has, I mean, I wouldn't know what a fish butt tastes like, to be honest, but...
I mentioned it tastes like fish, just like fish.
Yeah, well...
It doesn't exactly have cheeks, right? So which part?
Yeah, some fish you can't tell which is the front and the back. So it does taste a lot like butter and a bit like egg, like fried egg with butter.
On a chip, yeah.
Yeah, like crispy fried
And
egg
the spice
butter.
level?
No, it's super low. It's like not even there. It's not spicy at all. If you're asking about like birdie.
Okay, just checking.
If there was a universal spice level, I would.
There is actually. It's called Scoville.
It's called what?
The Scoville heat level.
What?
Saying that the first time